how to send inventory over to Amazon. That's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. If you are ready to send your very first product to Amazon FBA and get Amazon to pick, pack, and ship the product for you whenever a customer purchases it, this is the updated version of our very popular video on the channel. Let's get started. This is going to be a step-by-step guide and tutorial, so let's jump straight into it. First and foremost, before I jump on Amazon and show you exactly how you're going to create what is known as a shipping plan, you need to be ready with these 3 items. Number 1, you need your ship from address. Where is this product going to be shipped from? Is it going to be shipped from your manufacturer in China? You need that information. You need the address and information. Are you going to be shipped from your own location right here in the UAE and you want Amazon to come and pick it up from you? You need to add your details and information. Of course, Amazon, just as a side note, will not go pick up the products from China, but within the UAE or KSA market, they are able to send a courier to pick it up. So regardless, you need your ship from address. Number 2, you need to have the dimensions and weight of each and every unit that you will be sending. Now, if you haven't added those details already into your listing, please prepare them. What is the size, dimension-wise, length, width, height of the actual product as well as its weight? Number 3, we need to have the packing information. How many units are you intending to send of that particular product, and how are you going to be sending those units? As an example, let's say you're sending 100 units of your particular product, and how are you going to be sending those? Let's, for example, say you're going to be sending those 100 units in 2 separate shipping boxes, 50 units in each box, and we need to also have the dimensions, width, height, and length of that shipping box, as well as the weight of that shipping box. No, you can't just send those units without actually placing them into a shipping box. So get ready with all of this information and then follow me to Amazon. Okay, hold on. I'm not physically going to Amazon. What I meant was Amazon Seller Central, because that's where we're going to be creating what is known as a shipping plan. First and foremost, you will access this page when you go to manage FBA shipments inside of Amazon Seller Central. After that, you need to click on send to Amazon. Once you click on send to Amazon, you're going to be right here. First thing is, we're going to select what I just told you about, which is your ship from address. You can add as many addresses as you want, and you can select the address based on where you're sending the products from. You can be sending the products from China, from your manufacturer, or you can be sending the products locally. I'm going to show you the difference in a few minutes. So I'm going to be selecting an address right here in Dubai because I want to also show you how Amazon are able to, Amazon partners are able to come and pick your product up and deliver it over to Amazon, and how we're going to see what the cost of that is as well. Now, there are 2 ways of sending products over to Amazon. You can either send them in individual units, or you can send them as cased pack units. Cased pack units meaning you're sending the same exact product in several boxes or maybe even in one box. Individual units meaning you have different SKUs, different products, but you're packaging them all in one box. So let's get started with individual units and let me show you how to do that. So as you can see here, for this product, I've selected I'm going to be sending individual units. I also want to send individual units of this product. However, there's a warning here, which means I need to fill it up. So let's fill it up together. As you can see here, I'm going to be telling Amazon that, you need to select the right type for yourself, but I'm going to be selecting that this product does not need any prep, and I'm going to be actually be prepping it. By prepping it, it means I'm going to be adding the FNSKU label onto that product prior to sending it over to Amazon. Now that I've done so, now I no longer have any warnings and I can actually tell Amazon how many units I'm sending. So I'm just going to be putting 10 and I'm going to click ready to pack. And for the other SKU, which is a completely different SKU, I'm also going to be clicking on 10 and click on ready to pack. After that, I'm going to be clicking on pack individual units. As you can see here, I'm going to be telling Amazon that actually all my units are going to be fitting in one box. Click confirm. I'm just going to need to add the dimensions of this box, just like I explained before. So I'm just going to put some dimensions here just as an example, 2 kilos, and I'm going to click on confirm packing information. Done. Let's click on continue, confirm, and continue. So for this example, I'm going to be using non-Amazon partnered carrier. Just going to select other, which means I'm going to have to figure out how to send that inventory over to Amazon. I can do it myself, or I can talk to a lot of courier companies that can help and support ship this product over to Amazon if the product is right here in the UAE. If not, then probably your shipping company based in China or anywhere else might be taking care of that for you. If you have any questions about that, make sure that you leave the questions in the comments section below. Everything is ready to go. Make sure that you click on the ship date. So I'm just going to say that I'm going to be shipping it on Monday. I'm going to accept charges and confirm shipping. And then I'm going to do the rest. Now, before I continue, let me go back to the beginning and let me show you the other example of how I can send cased pack items if I'm only sending one unit as an example and everything is really going to be coming in one box or maybe even several boxes. Going back to here, let me click on the pencil right here. I'm going to create a packing template. So like I explained in the beginning of the video, let's say I'm going to be sending 100 units, 50 units in each box. So I'm just going to be creating a template. I can call it anything that I want. I'll just call it 50 units so that I can remember. So I'm going to say case pack. I'm going to say 50 units per box. I'm just going to give the box dimensions. I already have some dimensions here. I'm just going to change the weight to 5 kilos. So 40, 40, 42. Who labels the units? The seller. And I'm just going to click save. So now I have this template. How many boxes? I'm going to choose 2 because remember, I'm going to be sending 100 units. Actually, I'm already full in this account with the inventory. So I'm just going to make a small modification just so that I can complete the video. So I made the modification and I'm going to be sending only 8 units, 4 per box. As you can see here, 2 boxes, 8 units in total. Let's scroll down to the other page. As you can see here, after I've confirmed everything, I get the box label. So I can click on print for the box label. In this case, I'm going to get 2 labels because I said I'm sending 2 boxes, remember? So each label should be printed on each box and it should be pasted on the side of the shipping box. And that's it. It's technically done. Now, make sure that each and every unit also has an FNSKU printed and pasted on each and every unit instead of the standard barcode. Let me show you where to find the FNSKU and how to download it.
You can download the FNSKUs also from the Manage Inventory page. Simply go to the product that you want to print FNSKUs for, click on the 3-dot menu here, and select Print Item Labels. First, you need to select the amount of labels that you want to print. So let's say I want to print 15 labels. Then you can select whether it's a standard format paper or if it's on a thermal printer. And then select which size of paper you are currently using, which basically means you can just print on a regular A4 printer and you can find the sticky papers that come in different formats. Select the one that you want and then simply click on Print Item Label.
And additionally, if you live in certain areas, by the way, you're able to suggest the ATS from Amazon to come and pick up the product and deliver it over to Amazon. There will be a certain charge which you will be able to see, and you can either confirm it, or if you don't want to, you can use a non-Amazon partnered carrier, which I showed you before. And that's it. Now you know how to send inventory to Amazon FBA warehouses. Let me know if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and Leave me your questions in the comments section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.